Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gabby Angel Designs. In this video, I am coming to teach you how to change your picture sharpness from this to this in a simple step. So now let's start. This is our full image. Let's crop it. Since we are just working on the sharpness, so we just need the face to pop up. Okay, let's zoom it. Come to select, choose subject, so it will automatically select the subject for you. After that, command Ctrl+G. So as you can see, we have duplicated the selected path. After that, come to filter and select camera raw, or you can command Ctrl+Shift+A. That's the shortcut key for camera raw. After that, just zoom in like this. Let's increase the texture so that we can see the sharpness of the image. Let's increase the texture to 100%. After that, let's also increase the clarity like this. Let's increase the clarity to 70 is okay. After that, let's increase our dehaze a little bit. Don't increase the dehaze too much. Okay, let's take 12. Let's increase our exposure to let's say plus 0.10 is okay. Let's increase our saturation to +6. That's also okay. After that, let's command OK. So as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. After that, command another Ctrl+J by selecting the duplicate layer like this. Come to filter, come to other, come to high pass. Because of this image, let's set it to 0.3 as the radius and command OK. After that, change the blend mode to vivid light like this. Vivid light like this. So let's reduce the opacity like this. So let's group these two layers by commanding Ctrl+G. So as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. After that, let's pick our lens flare, drag and put it on the image like this. Drag and put it on the image like this. So guys, let's try to merge this group. So right click on the group and choose merge group. So we have merged the group. So let's make this layer visible. After that, command Ctrl+Alt+G. That's the layer mask, or right click here and select create creeping marks. So now let's change the blend mode to screen like this, and let's drag it here. We just need only reflection, something a little bit like this, to create the effect like this. So if you want to increase the light, you can command another Ctrl+J to increase the light. But when you look at this, it looks too much. So let's delete one and maintain this. After that, merge these two layers. So guys, this is our before and this is our after. Before and after. This brings us to the end of today's tutorials. If you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to Gabby Angel Designs. So we can delete this background layer. So we can use this for our flyer or any project that we want to use it for. I call it done. Bye bye.